Hello and welcome to a quick tour video. In this video, I'll show you the onboarding process, or what we call the client auto sign-up process that your clients will go through after sending them a contract. Once you're done sending them a contract, the client will be receiving an email that would look like this. They just have to click on the document review or this link right here. Once they click it, they would now be routed to the welcome page of the client auto sign-up process. So these are the step-by-step process that your clients will go through. Once they click next, they will be routed to the disclosure screen, in which they have to click on the tick box to agree of the use of electronic records and signature disclosures. After that, just click on proceed to the agreement page, and they will now be routed to the consumer credit file rights under the state and federal law. Now what they need to do once they're on the screen is to sign this signature from here. Check the tick box to confirm the information, and then hit on submit signature. Once you click on submit signature, they would now be routed to the contract agreement itself. So they can go through the contract, they can scroll down to see the details of the contract. After that, they have to sign here as well with their signature. Check the tick box to confirm the information, and then hit on submit signature. Now after that, the software will automatically send a signed copy of the agreement to your clients once you're done. So that's going to be along with a signed copy of the disclosures as well, and the software will also notify you as the admin that a new agreement has been signed. Once they click on OK on that pop-up message, they would now be redirected to the next page, allowing them to provide you with their information. They'll be able to fill out the rest of the necessary information that you need. So even if you added them as a quick lead and you only had placed their first name, last name, phone, and email, so you will still be able to collect the rest of the information directly from the client auto sign-up process. Once they click on next, they will now fill out their information for their mode of payment. So that's going to be for the check payment if you're going to be accepting check. So they just have to fill out their information right here, their banking details, sign here, confirm the information, then submit. That's going to be same goes with the card information. So your customer just needs to input their credentials in here, credit card number, expiration, sign here, confirm the information, then submit. Now after that, let's skip that for now. They can now sign up to any of the credit monitoring service that is showing up right here. Once you're done signing up, they just have to put their credentials on these fields. Once they're done, they'll go through uploading the initial documents that you'll be needing to get the service moving. They could upload their socials, their ID, or proof of address. Once done, lastly is the thank you page. So this is where they can download a signed agreement for their copy. Now in the software, going back to the software, as the admin, you will be able to keep track the progress of your clients. You will see a notification at the top for the new signed agreement, which is this. And when you click it, it would route you to the digital signature record screen, where you could preview all the steps that your clients has completed by clicking on the red pushpin icon or the view status. So once you click on that, you would see the progress of the client auto sign-up process. Once your client has completed everything, if your client is in a lead or a no portal status, you can now change them to active status from here. So that would complete our quick tour video about the client auto sign-up process.